Welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial update for all you LinkedIn enthusiasts. How to precisely add your city to your LinkedIn profile. This isn't just about filling out a field, it's about maximizing your visibility, connecting with local opportunities, and ensuring your profile reflects exactly where you want to be. So, let's get started. First, open your LinkedIn app. Once you're in, look for the Me icon, typically located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. This is your gateway to personalizing your LinkedIn experience. Next, you'll want to navigate to Settings. Think of this as your LinkedIn control center. Once in Settings, find and tap Account Preferences. This section is where you fine-tune the details of your account, including those all-important profile settings. Now, under the Profile Information section, you're looking for Name, Location, and Industry. Tap this to access the core details that define your professional identity on LinkedIn. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Edit icon. This allows you to modify your profile information, including your location. Under the Location section, you'll see the space to add your city. Type in your city, and be sure to select it from the drop-down options that appear. This ensures that you're discoverable in searches specific to that region. Finally, and this is key, click Save. This commits your updated location to your profile, making it visible to recruiters, potential connections, and anyone else who might be interested in your professional background. Specifying your location isn't just a formality, it's a strategic move. Recruiters often use location filters when searching for candidates, so adding your city ensures you show up in relevant searches. It also helps you connect with local professionals, opening doors to networking and collaboration opportunities. Remember, if the name of your city doesn't appear, enter a different postal zip code from the same city, or select the closest major location. LinkedIn is continuously evolving, and keeping your profile up to date is essential for making the most of the platform. Adding your city is a simple but powerful way to enhance your visibility, connect with local opportunities, and present an accurate reflection of your professional self. So go ahead, update your location, and unlock the full potential of your LinkedIn presence.